Hello everyone and welcome to PostgreSQL Crash Course Day 16. This is your host Mohan and my WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen in case you want to get connected with me. So in today's video we are going to learn about the incremental backup. Incremental backup is a feature which is introduced in PostgreSQL version 17. Before that it was not there, so it was long awaited feature. So we'll learn more about it today. So before learning about the incremental backup, we need to learn about the summarize underscore wall parameter. So this parameter is very important because if you want to take the incremental backup, we need to enable this parameter. So by default, it is not enabled. So what is this? So summarize underscore wall is a key component of Postgres SQL incremental backup feature, allowing backup of only change blocks since the last backup. So when we enable this parameter and when we take the incremental backup, so it will take the backup of all those change block which has been changed after the last backup. It enables incremental backups by summarizing changes to the database blocks in the wall files. And this wall summarizer process reads wall segment files from the last redo point to the current redo point. It means whatever changes has been happening or has happened, it will take all those changes. So these files are stored in pg underscore wall summaries directories, which I will show you in some time. This process is controlled by the parameter summarize underscore wall. I will show you this as well. So now I'll tell you about the incremental backup. So as I said, PostgreSQL 17 introduces a new feature called incremental backups with PG based database backup. So we have already seen the PG underscore base backup, how we take the backups. They provide the flexibility and efficiency by only backing up the data that has changed since the last backup. Ideal backup schedule. So in our SQL production also, what we do, we take the weekly full backup and daily differential, and we set up the log backup. So here also it says like the ideal scenario would be we are taking one full weekly backup and daily incremental backup and continuous write ahead log backup. So the difference between incremental backup and our differential backup in SQL is that in the differential backup, it will take all the changes which has been done after the full backup. But in case of incremental backup, it will have all the changes which has been done before the last or after the last full backup or after the last incremental backup. So in this case, suppose if we are taking the incremental backup on Monday and we have full backup on Sunday, so in Monday incremental will have all the changes from Sunday to Monday, then Tuesday incremental will have changes from Monday to Tuesday, and so on. Recovery process can be speed up continuously by taking regular full backups and adding incremental backup instead of replaying all the wall changes. So it simply says that we need to have the full backup and incremental backup so that we need not to replay all those wall changes which has been happening. So here, this is the command pg underscore base backup hyphen d. Here we'll give the backup folder, and this is hyphen l. We can give the label. I means incremental, and this is p means progress. It will show, and u means user, Postgres user. So this will be the command here pg base backup hyphen d. This will be the location of the folder where we are want to take the incremental backup. This is the label, and here it is the location where it will take the reference from. So I will show you this as well. So this is the taking the reference from the manifest file. So this manifest file contains all the details about the backups, and this serves as an input for the next incremental backup. So let me move to the command prompt. We'll see all these things in detail. Okay, the server is already running, so we'll go to psql -u Postgres. Okay, I'll give the password here. Okay, now we'll see there is there are two tables, that is called employee table as well as the customer table. Okay, so before that, I will show you what is the summarize wall. So this is the command show summarize wall. It will show that it is okay. I have kept it on from the previous session. So what I will do, I will make it off first. Okay, and I need to reload the configuration file. Okay. So when you start your cluster first time, or whenever when it is not already by default not enabled, you will see something like this. So after this, we need to enable it. So we'll keep it as on. And after enabling it, we need to just reload the configuration. So it should be like this. So it is now on, right? So after that, what I will do, I will create a test table in our Postgres database. So first is the table which will create table test one, and I will put some dummy data into it about 10,000 rows. So it is done. Now we'll see it is there. So I will just show you select count star from test one. You can see we have 10,000 records, right? Now what I will do, I have already created few of the folders just to show you the examples. So this is the prod BKP folder, and under this we have Monday incremental, Sunday full, and Tuesday incremental, as well as combined folder. There is nothing in those folder at present. So I have given all the necessary permission into this folder so that it will not give any write error during the execution. Now what I will do, I will take the for PG base backup, and I will take the full backup using the PG base backup utility. So here is the command pg underscore base backup hyphen d. This is the location Sunday full. I have already shown you. This is the rate by which it will take. It will take like 5 MB. X means extreme. X is extreme. It means it will take all the changes as well which will be happening during the backup. And this is the label. P means progress. U means user. It will ask for the password. Now it is trying to take the full backup. So it will also show the progress once the backup started. So I will go to the folder here. This is Sunday full, right? So we can see it is started taking the backup. Now it has completed the backup, right? So backup is completed. Now I will move to the cluster again. What I will do now, I will just create another table, and I will insert few records in it. Same we have done for test one. So this table is created. Now I will insert two W records. So here, if I will see, now we have two tables, right? Test one and test two. Now I will quit from here, and I will now take the differential backup. No, so not differential, but the incremental backup. So here, the command will be where we want to take the differential backup. We'll specify in the double quotes, and in this hyphen I after this, we have to specify the folder or the backup manifest file, which is referencing. So, for example, if we are taking the first incremental backup, we have to mention the full backup here. And if we are taking the different incremental backup on Tuesday, we have to mention the Monday differential backup here. I will show you. So this is our folder Sunday full, and here we have this manifest file. It will have information about the all those LSN, start LSN, or end LSN. So this is very important file because it will be referred while taking the backups, incremental backups, right? So I will just take the backup here. So here in the Monday, now it is taking the incremental backup. So whatever changes has been happened from last full backup, so it will take the changes, like it will take the test 2 table here. It will back up the test 2 table only, right? Because this is what we have changed. Now I will again go into the cluster, and now I will create another table, that is test3. So this is the command to create table test3 I have created. Now I will insert some dummy records here. Now you can see we have three tables, and I will again take the incremental backup. So now this time when we are taking incremental backup, we will be referring the incremental backup of Tuesday, right? Monday, right? So here we are taking the backup in Tuesday incremental folder, and this will be this will be referring to the Monday incremental backup manifest file. So now this backup will have all the changes from Monday to Tuesday. So this test3 table will be referred here, or will be backed up here, right? So backup is completed now. And now if I will again go back to our cluster, and I will now again create one more table called test4. Before that, I wanted to show you how many tables we have. We have three tables. Now I will create another table, and I'll insert the dummy records here, right? Okay. Now I will quit. So, sorry, I wanted to show that also, like we have four tables now. Okay, now we have four tables: test1, test2, test3, and test4. Now, for example, now our team comes and says that they wanted the backup till Tuesday, means till this test3 table. So please recover that from the incremental backup. So now you can see in the combine we don't have anything. So I wanted to show you one more utility, that is called the combine utility, and this utility will combine all those backups which we have taken. So we have taken the Sunday full, Monday incremental, and Tuesday incremental. So we need to specify this command pg underscore combine backup, and in double quotes we will mention the Sunday full, Monday incremental, and Tuesday incremental, and this is the hyphen small o, means output. So all those combination of those backups will be done in the combine folder. So at present there is nothing in the combine folder. Once we will combine, I mean this combine will complete, it will have all those folders which are needed to recover the database till a test3 table, or till you can say a Tuesday incremental, right? So it is done. You can see all those are available here. Now here what I will do, I will stop the cluster. Okay. And now what I will do, I will go and I will delete all those folders, I mean all those files under this data folder. Okay, Control A, Shift Delete. Okay, this is deleted. So now I will restore that from the backup which we have taken. So here this is the combined folder. We have combined the backup here. And so if you want to see here, now if I will run this pg underscore ctl start, it will not start because this is not the, it is not able to find any directory, right? So now what I will do, I will go and I'll paste all those files from there to here. And once it is done, uh, we can start the for this cluster. Okay, cluster is started. Okay, it is started. Now I can go and see. Now it should have three tables only, right? So it does not have the table 4, because we have taken the reference from Tuesday incremental. So this is how we just take the incremental backup in PostgreSQL, and this is how we restore these backups using incremental backup. And this is how we restore the database using the incremental backup. So this is it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow in next video. We'll share some other information about PostgreSQL backups. Thank you so much and take care.